Okay, we're at the SEMA show. This is the pre-parking area right here. So any of the featured vehicles that are going into the SEMA show outside, this is where they all gather right here. Seems like it's a little bit of a congestion this year, but I think there's some new guys running it, so they're working as hard as they can to get everybody through here. But this is where you gather up right here behind the whole convention center. I'm thinking in probably the next 20 minutes we'll be pulling in, so you'll get to see the front, and this is where it's awesome. I actually really enjoy having the vehicles outside, especially when the weather's good here in Vegas. People spend more time outside walking around looking at the cars than they do inside. Plus all the drifting events and all the cool stuff is going on outside. So it's actually a good location to have the big truck out there. So pretty excited to see where I'm gonna be parked. Hopefully it's in a good spot. This is kind of funny. So I'm out here touching up my 55 Chevy because I actually drive my shit. And a few of these cars, I don't know if people drive them. Need some touch up. They don't even know how to take a joke. They're so serious. It's their first time to SEMA. So they're all serious. I'm out here touching up my car in the parking lot. Trying to make it look a little bit better. It needed to be done anyway, and then when it's right here at this height, I can actually get to it. Kind of nice. We're at the H&S booth. Been here all morning signing autographs. We brought the Joker out, and right now we're doing some welding in the booth. I think my son Cash is in here running some beads right now. We'll go check it out. You know, ever since the COVID thing, the crowds have slowed down a little bit, but these are the true supporters that are out here today, and everybody's having a great time. Okay guys, here we are at the south parking lot outside. Parking's a little weird this year on how they did it here at SEMA. I had to wait in line for 4 hours this time around, but we're here. It's cool, it's fun. People are still coming out, checking out the truck. It's been a great SEMA so far. It's our first day. There's a few more cars that we're gonna go in and walk around and show you where we have the COE in here and we have Little Joe in here. So we're gonna go in, I'm gonna show you guys where they're parked at, and we'll see you in there. So this is a 38 Chevy, and these boys are from Tennessee?
Lafayette, Louisiana.
Louisiana, oh shit, Louisiana. You know what happens down there? I'm not gonna go into it. Anyway, I'm gonna sign these guys' dash, because this thing's cool, and it made it to SEMA. They're at SEMA in this thing. These guys been working on it. This dude had a stroke during the build. Can you believe that? So anyway, they made it, and here they are. So congratulations, boys.
Bro, thank you so much.
Good job.
Appreciate it.
I don't know if this is a good sign or bad sign.
Well,
try it again. Now try it. Okay guys, we're over here by this Ford truck. I think it's super sick. Whoever did the fabrication work on this truck did a great job. I mean, the wheels are bitching on this thing. The color's actually really cool. Crew cab Ford. This is something my son Chase is trying to put together right now. We're gonna do a crew cab Ford, probably a dually, pretty similar to this truck, but one of my favorite trucks here at the show today. There's a lot of lifted stuff here, but I really like this one. This truck was actually debuted here in 2014 when we built it on Vegas rat rods for a good friend of mine, John. It was the fruit truck, and I don't know if you remember that. But a good friend of mine bought this truck, Mark, and he decided that he wanted to redo it. So we have spent the last 8 months in the shop redoing the whole truck, changing the way the motor sat in it, putting overdrive transmission in it, changing all the air ride on it, the paint job, the interior, the list goes on. It's been a lot of work to get this truck here, but it is revealing awesome. Great compliment from Danny at Counting Cars. Stopped by and loves the truck, thinks it's really cool. It's always great to see other car guys that have been on TV stop by and actually take a look at this truck and go, hey man, that thing's sick. So that was kind of a cool treat. Right now we're gonna run back over and see the little Joe truck, but so far so good, man. It's in a great location. Wolf got a great spot right here. The backdrop's really bitching with the wood. It matches the truck. Like, it looks really good in here. I'm pretty happy. Okay guys, here we are at the Auto Parts for Less booth, and the turnout's been great. It's so awesome to come back every year and see familiar faces and run into a lot of the people that you only see at SEMA. It's like a once a year family reunion, and everybody gets together and it's so awesome. Everybody's happy, they're glad they're here. It really picked up this afternoon, it's looking good. So I'll see you guys out there and have fun. So all in all, it was a good show. Little Joe did good, the Joker was great. All the cars in the different booths did a really good job. I'm pretty happy with the turnout this year. Now what we're gonna do is everybody's kind of trying to leave the parking lot, and we're gonna get into the Ignite traffic jam, basically is what I call it. So there's a party afterwards called the Ignite Party. Everybody kind of leaves here and drives to the Ignite Party. So we'll see you in the traffic jam.